Hi guys, welcome to Buy Now. In this video, I'll tell you the top 5 best convection microwave ovens in India that you can buy in 2022. But before we move on, let me tell you that there are two types of microwave ovens available in the market right now. One is a solo microwave oven that can be used for reheating, defrosting and cooking, and the other one is a convection microwave oven that can be used for baking, toasting, grilling and reheating. In this video, I have included convection microwave ovens in every price range. Additionally, I have discussed the pros and cons of every convection microwave. Further, I have included the links to buy them in the description. Make sure you watch the video till the end so that you do not miss any of the important points discussed in the video. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our notifications. Now, we'll discuss the best convection microwave oven in India. At number 5, we have Whirlpool Convection Microwave Oven. This all-in-one convection microwave comes with 800 watts of power and offers a capacity of 24 liters. The multi-heat technology in this oven offers 6 different heating modes to facilitate you to cook a variety of dishes. It features a stainless steel cavity and the temperature of this oven can be adjusted up to 200 degrees. Moreover, it has 118 auto-cook options and 9 pre-programmed menus for quick and easy cooking. This oven comes with a 270 glass turntable. Finally, this product is priced at approximately Rs 10,000. And also, it comes with a 1-year product warranty and a 5-year magnetron warranty. This oven, however, does not have a motorized rotisserie. If your budget is limited, and you are not concerned about this missing feature, then you may consider buying it, or else you may consider IFB Convection Microwave Oven, that comes at number 4. This IFB convection oven has a larger capacity of 30 liters, and includes a motorized rotisserie for grilling kebabs, tikkas, and many other dishes. This convection microwave comes with 900 watts of power. It features 101 auto-cook menus, 10 cooking power levels, and a temperature setting that can be set from 110 to 200 degrees. Just like all other convection microwaves, this one also features multi-stage cooking, wait defrost, steam clean, deodorize, and a child safety lock feature. However, the keep warm feature is a nice one to keep food warm without overcooking it for 90 minutes. Moreover, a starter kit is included with this microwave. This convection microwave from IFB is priced at approximately Rs 13,000. In addition, it is covered by a product warranty of 1 year and a 3-year warranty is provided on the magnetron and cavity. At number 3, we have Panasonic Convection Microwave Oven. This convection microwave comes with 900 watts of power and a stainless steel cavity. This oven has a 315 glass turntable and offers a capacity of 27 liters. It features 101 auto-cook menus and 5 power levels. There is also a one-touch menu for auto-reheat, auto-cook, and auto-defrost functions. Additionally, the Magic Grill feature in this oven allows two-way heating for a faster cooking process. The convection microwave is covered by a warranty of 1 year on the product and 4 years on the magnetron. This Panasonic oven is priced at around Rs 12,000, which seems a little high, considering the capacity of the oven, and the fact that it lacks a rotisserie function. However, you should note that, this product comes from Panasonic, a brand known for offering products with stellar build quality, and excellent performance, as is evident, when you read the customer reviews of this product. Next, we have Samsung Convection Microwave Oven. This convection microwave comes with 1400 watts of power and offers 28 liters of capacity. This oven has a 318 turntable that can be turned on or off so that you can accommodate large square-shaped bakeware and make good use of the space inside. The convection microwave comes with a ceramic enamel cavity and the convection temperature can be set from 40 to 200 degrees. And also it has 6 power levels. In addition, it has features like tandoor technology, slim fry, eco mode, auto cook, and a child safety lock, to name a few. Unfortunately, this oven does not have a rotisserie function. Moreover, this convection microwave comes with a warranty of 1 year on the product, 5 years on the magnetron, and 10 years on the ceramic enamel cavity. Finally, this Samsung Convection Microwave Oven is priced at approximately Rs 12,000. At number 1 we have LG Charcoal Convection Microwave Oven. This convection microwave from LG comes with a charcoal lighting heater that makes the food crunchy outside and juicy inside. This oven has a stainless steel cavity and offers a capacity of 28 liters. Moreover, it has been equipped with a tact dial for easily controlling the settings. This oven features 271 auto-cook menus. And, also, it has a motorized rotisserie for grilling meat and vegetables. The turntable diameter of this oven is 320 mm, which is pretty big compared to other brands of this capacity. I couldn't find any major cons as such for this product. This oven earned the number 1 spot in our review because of the features it offers, such as a charcoal heater, motorized rotisserie, and tact dial. A tact dial is something most brands fail to offer. Tact dial makes it easy and convenient for you to set the temperature precisely in an oven. Finally, this LG Convection microwave oven is priced at approximately Rs 17,000, which is a little on the higher side, but you may get this oven for a much lower price of about Rs 15,000 during an offer or sale. This Convection microwave comes with a 1-year product warranty, 4 years magnetron warranty, and a 10 years charcoal heater warranty. I have provided the links to the products mentioned herein in the description. Do comment if you have any questions related to buying a Convection microwave oven, and do share with us which model you are planning to buy or the one you already bought. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then do like the video and hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.